Okay, guys. So we'll start this. Okay. So now before going, okay, to what we are using to execute the things here to write the programs. Okay. So we use some IDE called VS Code. So how to download it? Observe here. This is VS Code, guys. This is my IDE. This is VS Code. So how to download it? Go to Google. Okay. Go to Google. So search for VS Code. Okay. VS Code download. Okay, so VS Code download, click on this. So observe here, visualstudio.com download. So first link only you have to click. So click on first link. Okay guys, clicked. See here you have different operating systems: Windows, Ubuntu, okay, then Red Hat, Mac operating system. So based on your operating system, you can go to respective okay option and you can download. So if you are from Windows operating system, you should check okay whether your system is 64-bit or else it's 32-bit. You have to check it. Okay, if it's a 32-bit, you click on 32. If it's a 64-bit, click on 64. So once you download, okay, once you click on the 64-bit or 32-bit, so what will happen? It will be downloaded. So it will be stored in your okay download folders, guys. It will be stored in your what download folders. See, so it's here. Okay, so like this, it will be downloaded here. VS Code. Okay, I have MongoDB, some setup Node.js. Okay, so I think I deleted this one. Okay, so it will be stored in your download folder. I don't want to download, already have installed. See, once it is downloaded, just double click on this, guys. Just double click on this. Clear? Just double click on this. Once you double click, it will ask you for okay to accept the terms and conditions. So once after accepting the terms and conditions, okay, you have to click next, next, next until and unless okay it shows installation successful. Okay, until and unless it shows installation is successful. So clear, guys? Any doubts here? Whatever I have told. So if you want, okay, I will share this link in chat box. You can directly go with this link. Okay, download link I have shared in chat box. I have shared the link. Okay, clear with this, guys? Any doubts? So okay guys, once after installation, download installation successful. So how to use the files over there? See, so you will be having, okay, you will be having consider. I have created one folder here. Yes or no? The folder name is what? JEWA8. It's your batch code. JEWA8 is what? It's your batch code. Click on this JEWA8. Okay. So this folder, JEWA8 folder, I want to open in Visual Studio Code, which we have installed. So before okay opening in Visual Studio Code, what you have to do, guys? Just you have to click here. This is the address bar. So here you have to type what? Okay, CMD. CMD means what? Command prompt. So I am telling here. Okay, see what I need to do? Type CMD. So I am telling boss, open this JEW8 folder in command prompt. So when you type in the location part, see this is the location part of this folder, guys. This is the location. Whatever is there, you delete it. Just type it CMD. CMD means what? Command prompt. So when you when you enter it, so observe here. So JEWA8, okay, JEWA8, it's opened in okay command prompt. So I hope everyone knows this step. Yes, everyone knows this, right? Since you are learning Java, Python, this step everyone knows. Clear? So now we have opened our JEWA8 folder inside okay command prompt. So now I want to open okay this JEWA8 folder, okay, this JEWA8 folder in VS Code. How to open in VS Code? Observe here. I will pass here. Okay, concentrate, guys. I'll pass here. Code. Code stands for okay. It indicates Visual Studio Code. You have to type what? Code. Okay, you have to type what? Code. So then hit enter. Okay, hit enter. Concentrate now, guys. Concentrate. So observe here, VS Code is opened. Yes or no? VS Code is opened. Clear? Super. See, but I want to open, okay, I wanted to open, so one folder, yes or no, I wanted to open which folder, guys? JEW8 folder. So tell me, guys, is it opening JEW8 folder or else it's opening node practice folder? Tell me, it is opening which folder? Node practice folder or else JEW8 folder. So it's opening what? Node practice. That means, so previously, whatever the session I have taken, for the previous session, I opened this VS Code. I opened this folder. The previously opened folder is going to open in VS Code if you type just code. Understand? If you just type code. So what it is, it's a previous folder. I don't want. Okay, code means what? Open VS Code. It is not telling which folder. So now if you want to open, okay, JWA8, okay, this is my current folder, right? Go with code, okay, space dot. So this dot indicates that, always remember, dot means current folder, which is my current folder where we are now. Okay, we are inside what? JWA8. So code means VS Code, dot means what? Okay, current folder. So it is going to open JW8 folder inside the VS Code now. So hit enter button, guys. Now concentrate here. Super, guys. See which folder is opened, guys. Okay, which folder is open? JEW8. Yes or no? JEW8. So let me delete these files, okay? So let me delete these files, all server, okay, style.css, everything. Okay, observe here, JEW8 folder open. Yes, understood how to open the folder, whichever folder you want in VS Code, how to open, everyone understood, guys? Yes or no? Again, I am repeating, someone is asking me to open. Okay, so see code, if you use, first open the folder whichever you want to open in VS Code. So first I will open the folder in what? Command prompt. See, I have opened in command prompt. How to open in command prompt? Go to that particular folder's location. Go to that particular folder. This is my folder. Open whatever the folder you want. Go to that location bar. It's a location address bar of this folder. Click on this. See, here you type CMD. Here you type CMD. Okay. So once you type CMD, it is going to open that particular folder in command prompt. Clear? It is going to open that particular folder in command prompt. Next, I'll type, okay, code. Code means what? VS Code. Dot means what? Current folder. So if you don't pass dot, directly it will open VS Code, but it is not going to open your current folder. Previously opened folder will be there. So if you want to open the current folder, you have to use what, guys? Dot. So dot indicates current folder. So hit enter button. So it will open JEWA8 folder inside VS Code. See, open successfully. So clear, right? So now here we have, okay, two sections. Okay. So this is, okay, we call it as editor, white space. Okay, whatever is visible to you guys here, right side, that is editor part where you will get the files to edit. And this is explorer section. So where you will be getting your all files, which is having, okay, inside the project folder. So this is my project folder JW8. Here only I'm going to, okay, execute all the programs. Here only I'm going to store my images, my files, everything. So Explorer is going to have all your project related files, and white space is nothing but it is going to display your files which you want to edit. So here we have some options. Okay, this option is used to close the Explorer and open the Explorer. See, so you can close it, you can open it. So here, if you want to search for any file, you can search here with the help of this. So this is a, okay, source control. This is for debugging purpose, not required for you guys. So this is also debugging purpose. Okay, this is also debugging purpose. So this is for Git. Okay, so you don't know all these things. So this is Git. This is settings. It's for you. You can use this. See, whatever the settings you want. If you want to change the background color of this, see, go to settings. Okay, there are multiple settings. Don't touch it. Okay, don't touch it, guys. Okay, I will tell you what to change in future. So next you have, okay, again you click on settings, file icon, theme. So color themes like this. Okay, you can shortcuts. You go to settings. You can use this. And you have to use this one more thing called, okay, extensions. So you can use Explorer, search, okay, extensions and settings. This Git, debug, and this one is not for you guys. Clear? It's a pure development purpose. So now here, guys, so it's opening purpose and closing purpose of Explorer. So here we have one more option called extensions. Later we will see what it is extension. So now first let me change. Okay, go back. I'll change the file icon theme. Okay, I'll make this as the Visual Studio Code theme. I applied. So now observe here, guys. Concentrate here. Okay, concentrate. So go back here. Go back. So here again in Explorer, you'll be getting some options. See, this is used to create a new file. And after this, okay, we have one more option which is used to create a new folder. Then, and we have one more option which is used to refresh your Explorer. This is to minimize the thing. Okay, so observe here. This is to minimize the thing. This is refresh, and plus is for to this one is used to create the folder, and this one is used to create the file. So now what I do? I will go here. I will create one new file. The file name I'll provide index. What is the file name, guys? Index. Dot. Okay, extension should be what? HTML. Extension should be what? HTML. Click on this. Okay. See, one new file is created. So new, see, the name of the file is index. Extension is what? HTML. Name can be any name, guys. Name can be any name, but the extension should be what? HTML only. Why means browser understands only one extension, which is, okay, .html. Nowadays it understands HTML also, but it is old one. We don't use that one. Okay, so index.html. So now after this, guys, after this, I will create the structure of HTML. I have told you structure means what? Doc type should be there, head section should be there, body should be there. So I will go here. I will, okay, use shift 1. Okay, which button you have to type, guys? Shift 1. Shift 1 means what? It will display exclamatory mark. Okay, so it will display exclamatory mark. See, so the single exclamatory mark means what? The whole HTML structure. See, we have doc type, we have HTML tag, we have head section, we have body section, meta tags, everything. So now if you go for triple dots, it is going to, okay, provide only the version information doc type. So better I want whole section, sorry, whole structure. So I will enter here. Okay, I will enter. See, we got this. And please don't ask me what is this meta tags. I have told you, I will teach you in Bootstrap. Don't ask whatever is there inside this. I have already explained. Okay, while explaining, I have told you I will teach this in, okay, HTML. Sorry, I'll teach this in Bootstrap. And this lang is nothing but, okay, language, guys. Language is equal to English. They have passed. So by default, it is English only. So everything is whatever we are writing, it is English only, not required. If you want, you can keep it. So by default, it's providing, that's all. So this is the thing. I see we have 3 sections of our HTML. That is doc type. We have head section as well as we have body section, guys. We have body section. So this is the way how to, okay, first create the file. Then how to open the folder in VS Code and how to create a new file and how to create the structure of HTML inside the new file. So any doubts guys here? Any doubts? Any doubt? Reply guys fast. What you want me to repeat, Anish Sinha? What you didn't understand, tell me. I will repeat that only. I will not repeat the whole thing. Tell me first. Open the file. I have already repeated 2 times. I am not going to explain. Anish Sinha, sorry. Okay. You have to concentrate. What you are doing first, tell me. 2 times I have explained. Okay. Yeah. Rajshekar Ellur. It's showing you are currently muted by organizer. Yeah. You cannot talk. I muted everyone. Then anything if you have to text. That's all. Can we create HTML file without meta tags? You can create HTML file without meta tags. So I have told you, don't ask me about meta tags now. I will explain in Bootstrap. What happens if you remove also, I will tell you later, not now. Amrut Gadikan. Clear. So if you want me to explain the structure again I am repeating. Okay. So Anish Sinha, remember 2 times I have explained. Okay. 2 times I have explained how to open. From the starting only I have explained. I don't know what you were doing. It's your mistake. Okay. Because if I repeat again and again, if 2 more students ask me, sir, how to open file, show me again, means other student will get irritated. Okay. So can we create, okay. Sir, this files which we create in VS Code will be saved in our PC. Yes, 100%. Okay. It will be saved in the same folder. Whatever the folder I have created, it will be in your folder only. Clear? See, whatever the folder you created, it will be in the folder, same folder. See guys, in HTML, I will give maximum assignments. I will take only 4 days of class in HTML. Okay, 4 days of HTML class. Now consider this class also. Okay, 4 days HTML I will take. Then 6 classes for CSS. Then rest of the 10 to 12 classes for JavaScript. Then, okay. So remember here. So I will give the assignments, maximum tags as an assignment. Kiran, whatever the ID you want, multiple IDs we have. Okay, we have brackets. We have, okay, notepad plus plus. We have NetBeans. Okay, we have Eclipse. And we have Atom. Whatever you want, you can use. I use this one because in industry, 95% of developers for web development, especially for web development, okay, they use VS Code because it is having good advantages. Clear? Okay. So inside head tag, link tag will not be there, means you can create. It's not a big deal. They have provided the structure. That's all. Okay. And don't ask me then if it is your question, sir, why they are not providing any tag inside the body? They have to provide now all the tags. Link is, if you want, you have to use. If you don't want, you can ignore. But these tags are mandatory. Okay. These tags are mandatory. It should be there. That is the reason by default they have provided. Clear? Tirumalesh. Okay, concentrate guys now. So what to do again, if I will show you how to create the structure. Okay, what we have to do, shift 1 you press, shift key and 1. So if you press in the 1 okay button, so exclamatory mark will be there. So single exclamatory mark, when you get single exclamatory mark, hit enter, you will get the whole structure. Okay, hit enter, you will get the whole structure. Clear guys? So I have shown okay how to create again. Hey, Rajsekhar Ellur, why you want to unmute? Why you want to unmute first? Tell me. If you have any doubts, you text here. I have told you you are muted, but still you are asking, sir, muted, unmuted. How to? I am can't able to unmute. You can't able to unmute only. The controls in my hand. What do you want? Tell me first. Why you want to unmute yourself? By asking this kind of questions only, you will waste my time. Okay. Tell me fast. Why you want me to unmute? Rajsekhar. Okay, you are not replying. I am not going to answer the questions also. If you are not replying to my question, okay. So concentrate, guys. So please concentrate. Forget about okay. I am not going to read the silly questions, whatever you guys asking now. If the question is valid, then only I am answering now. Simply, I told you in first class only. You ask me questions on server only. Server 50 invalid questions. I have to go for another concept, then another technologies which I have used. Node.js. You are learning something here. Whatever I am teaching, keep learning here. Okay. Concentrate now. See guys, head section we learned. Then and body section we learned. So how to execute the files? Open the browser, guys. Okay. Close this. Open the browser. Any browser you can open. Okay. So first we'll start. Okay. We'll start from the starting. So open the browser. Open the browser. Okay. So now here inside this browser. Okay. So first what you have to do, I need to execute this HTML file. Which file? Index.html. So right click on this. Okay. Go to that file. See, go to that file. Right click on this. Copy the path. Okay. You should copy what? Path. Copy path, not relative path. Copy path, not relative path. Copy the path. Okay. Go back to browser. You have opened. Okay. Now paste it. See, right click. You copied something and paste it to the URL bar. See, what is the URL now? Okay. Users faculty PC desktop JWA8 index.html. So this is the location of our file. So sir, in real time, how we are getting? In real time, we are getting the URLs. Okay. URLs means what? Okay. Uniform resource locator. That means the resource, okay, locating, where it is located. For example, if you are searching for Amazon websites, so the files are present in Amazon server. From there, you are okay fetching. So now we are using our system. We are storing the files in our system. So we have to pass like this. What to do, guys? So again, I am explaining. So your file, right click on the file, copy the path, go back to browser, open the browser, new tab or the existing tab, just go for URL, okay, bar. This is our URL bar. So right click, paste on this. See, paste it. Super. Then, so then hit enter, execute it, guys. Hit enter, execute it. See, execute it. Okay. So this one I'm executing, remember? So just hit enter, execute it. Super, guys, executed. How executed means, how executed? Nothing is there, sir, means our page is empty. So see here you are getting the whole white space. So this belongs to body part. Whatever the white space is visible here, I have told you that section belongs to body part. Below this line, whatever is present, it is belongs to body tag. I have told clearly, I have explained. Yes or no? So now what I should do, I will go here. So let me pass. Okay, welcome to web technology class. I will pass something called welcome to web technology. Okay, web technology class. Okay, it's technologies class. Okay, save this. See how to save file. Okay, file option, save, or else control S. Press control key and S. File will be saved. So now after saving, what to do again? Don't copy the path again and again, guys. Don't copy the path again and again. Already you have executed the file in the browser. So if you have executed the file, so why we are not getting the output, guys? We have added. So once you update anything in your file, so don't copy again and again. So after updating, save the file. So just reload the page. See here, reload the page. So changes will be updated, guys. Changes will be updated in your file. Okay, this is your web page, guys. How I am calling it as, see, this is your HTML document. This is your web page. Okay, so how you can call this as a web page? The HTML document. Okay, the HTML document is executed by the browser. When the HTML document is executed by the browser, we call this as, okay, so web page. Everyone understood how to execute here? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? How to execute? Everyone understood? Okay, guys. So concentrate now, okay? So we'll go here. Now, if you observe, this is the first page, okay, which you learned now. So if you observe the title, okay, if I go here, so observe here, if I go here, I'll search for Virat Kohli, or else, okay, I'll search for Virat Kohli. I'll go to ClickBus, Virat Kohli profile ICC ranking ClickBus. See guys, here we have Virat Kohli's name. Here we have Virat Kohli's name. Okay, here we have Virat Kohli's name. And here we have what? Okay, the icon of that ClickBus. Okay, this is ClickBus website. So we have the icon of ClickBus. Then, so and we have Virat Kohli's, okay, name as a title. This we call it as title. It is very important, guys. Title is very important. If you're not adding icon, okay, it's fine. But title is very important. So by the title only, okay, you can identify the pages, which file, okay, it is. So now title. But in our case, guys, in our case, observe here, the title is what? Document. Why it is document? When we created the structure, then by default, the title, okay, is document added here. So now let me change this title, okay? J Spiders Java, okay? Java training, okay? Java training center. Java training center. Save this. Save this. Go back to browser. So reload the page. So you have to reload it. Reload the page. See, the title is updated here. J Spiders Java Training Center. So this title tag, okay, this title tag we use whatever you are going to add inside this title tag, that will be updated as our, okay, HTML, sorry, web page title. So this is our web page and this is the title. So everyone understood how to add the title, guys? How to add title? Everyone understood? Any doubts about title? Okay, let's concentrate now. So now first we will see how to add this link. Okay. So anyone is having any idea which tag we have to use to add this icon? So here they have added the icon. So I want to add the icon. Any idea about this, guys? Any idea about this? What we have to use? IMG. Okay. Then, yeah, Mohammed Moinuddin, you can use numbers also in title. Tell me. So I want to add the icon. Do you have any options here? So anyone knows who is from CS departments, which tag we have to use? I can use this a SRC image. Tell me the answer. I'm waiting. Okay, I want some answers. Okay, then I'll continue. Don't worry, I will teach you if you don't know also. So first let me add, okay, let me copy the image. So we have some images here. So I will copy this image, guys. Cucumber image, copy the image. Okay. So it's loading. Wait, guys. Okay, copy image. So close this. So I will paste that image inside my folder. See JW8. So paste this image. So paste it successfully. See, we have an image here called cucumbers. Okay. So if you go here, see, open the Explorer, you will get to know we have an image called cucumbers. Then, so only two students answered properly. That is Aparajit, okay, and Pawan Kumar. Okay, link tag we have to use. So many of the students anchor tag, image tag, I tag, image SRC, A tag, no, invalid answers. Okay. So the correct answer is link tag. Okay. Aparanjit and Pawan Kumar answered like this. So see, observe here, guys. And guys, always remember, whenever you are developing the project, so try to keep all your files, project related files inside the same folder. Okay. So it is a good habit. You have to keep the files inside a same folder and don't ask me, sir, what to do if the file is present in another folder. Okay. So why means I'm telling the good practice is what? All the files should be inside the same folder. So you should remember, okay, this one. So that is the reason I have stored inside the same folder. Okay. So now observe here, we have stored inside the same folder. So now how to add? See, we have a tag. Okay. We have a tag. The tag name is link tag. So tag name is what, guys? Link. See, go for what? Favicon. Okay. Go for what? Favicon. So this is not required, guys. This is not required. Now we are not using nowadays the type attribute here. And then, so observe here, guys, link tag we have to use. So link tag, you have to use what? Link is a tag. And okay, you have to use this to add what? Icon. So we call this image, guys, whatever the image is present, this icon, we call this as what? Favicon. Okay, what we call it as? Favicon. Favicon means what? Favorite icon. What we call it as? Favorite icon. So you should remember this. So here just this is the syntax. See, just I have typed link. Okay. So I go to Favicon. They provided the whole structure of this link tag. This is the beauty of VS Code. This is the beauty of what? VS Code. Then, so now what I do here? See, I don't want this favicon.ico image. So this href is going to accept the image, okay, which you want to apply as icon to your web page. So this href is going to accept image as this value. So image as this value. What is my image here? Observe here. So I will go here. I want to add this cucumber as an icon. So how to, okay, pass this cucumber here? See. So tell me guys, is this cucumber present in the same folder where my HTML file is present? Yes or no? My cucumber, okay, and this index.html are present in the same folder. So I have told you the file should be present in the same folder. Why means? See, very easy. Whenever the files are present in the same folder, so current folder, how you will indicate? Dot. Yes or no? Dot means what? Current folder. So inside the current folder, so I am having some image slash. Dot means current folder. If you put forward slash, it will display all the files of that current folder. So I want to apply, okay. So cucumbers.webp as the icon. Clear? Cucumbers.webp as the icon. And here we have relation. Relation. This is mandatory attribute. You should remember relation is a mandatory attribute, guys. Okay. So if you don't pass this attribute, okay, you will not get any output. So relation should be what, guys? Shortcut icon. Relation should be what? Shortcut icon. So now go back to the browser. Save the file first. Go back to the browser. Reload the page. So observe here, icon updated. Observe here, guys, icon updated. Yes or no? Is it updated? Yes or no? Is it updated? See, I'm very slowly I'm teaching so that everyone can understand. Okay. Yes. So observe here, guys. I will tell you some. Okay. See, guys, when you create a link tag, guys, when you create a link tag, so let me comment this. Like this also you can pass. Like this also you can pass. So when you create a link tag. So here when you select for favicon, so the name of the image by default it is favicon. Yes or no? Name of the image is what? Favicon. So what we have to do, guys, it's not a good practice to, okay, keep the name favicon name as cucumbers or else any dog, cat, like this. So always remember, whenever you are making it as icon, make sure that the image name should be favicon only. So what is the image name? Extension can be anything. Okay, but the image name you have to maintain as what? Favicon. Why means we can also understand easily that, okay, though, okay, this image belongs to the icon. That means it's the page icon. So that is the reason by default they're displaying. So you have to maintain the same thing. So I'll pass here dot slash, okay, favicon dot webp. So this is the good practice, guys. Maintaining the icon name as favicon. Extension can be anything. So maintaining the icon, okay, name as favicon, the image name as favicon, which you are going to upload as icon. And one more thing you remember directly, okay, if you are not able to remember shortcut icon, remove this shortcut, okay, and you can pass icon like this. So save this icon only you can pass, reload the page. See, we got the same icon. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? I hope Sridhar you understood. I have repeated again. Okay. So go through this, guys. I'll give 2 minutes of time. Go through this. Just see the code. Observe here whatever the things I have used. Okay. Observe this code. Okay, what if we don't give relation? What if we don't give relation? Yes, this is the question. You will not get output. Okay, you will not get the icon because it's mandatory. You tell the browser the relation is icon. You should tell. Reload it. So because of this cookies you are getting, okay, because of this cookies. So let me create a new file. Okay, let me create a new file. Okay, the browser history, because of browser history, it's loaded. So now let me create a new file called p1.html. So and I'll create a structure. So and here I'll pass a link. Okay, favicon dot this one, and I'll remove this, and I'll remove this relation also. So now let me pass dot slash favicon.webp. Save this and now execute this file. Right click, copy the path, go back to browser, open a new tab, paste it and execute it. See, you are not getting any icon. So this is why, sir, after removing also it is getting missed because of browser history, and there will be some concept called cookies and caches. So you have, if you delete the history, it will not be loaded it. Why means it's not a real-time server. Okay, in real-time server, okay, you will get to know. So now if you want, you can observe here. See, now you add this. Okay, you add this relation is equal to, okay, icon. Then you will get. Concentrate. Reload the page. See, you are getting. So mandatory attribute relation. Okay, so just for understanding purpose, I have created that file. So I am deleting it now. Okay. Okay. Any doubts? Clear? No, image doesn't matter. Sauravanand. Clear this, guys? Who asked this doubt? Rashekar. If you are asking the doubt, if I am clearing the doubt, you should tell yes or no. Naveen, when you open the web page, I didn't get your question. Okay. I think you're asking when we open Google, what we type, right? We type domain name. That is different concept. Okay. Domain names. Not mandatory. It's unpaid tag. I have told you this link is unpaid tag, not mandatory. If you pass also, nothing will happen. For unpaid tag, if you don't close also, okay. See, it will work. If you pass like this also, nothing will happen. Same output. Clear? Okay. You cannot align the icon to right. You tell me any website you have seen, the icon is on right side. If you have seen, you let me know, okay? I will talk to that person directly. Pawan Kumar, we can run in VS Code, but I am not suggesting you, right? So why I am not suggesting, you should remember. You directly run, okay? The run option is there here in VS Code. I also know. Directly you can run here. Okay? same sentence I will repeat. Okay, I will pass here 5 times. Save the file. Go back to browser. Reload the page. Wow. So what is happening here? So tell me guys, is it displaying in the same line or it is displaying in the different lines here? Tell me now. So the output when we execute this file in a browser, is it displaying in the same line or different line? Different line. Okay. So we are passing in different line, but it is displaying in same line. So what will happen if you pass thousands of lines also, if you pass in different lines 1,000 times also, always remember browser will consider it as single line of code. If you pass in different lines also, okay, browser will consider it as what? Single line of code. So what we have to do, sir, that is why we use tag guys to provide the structures. Okay, that is why we go with what? Tags. That is why we go with what? Tags. Browser provides, okay, so some, okay, browser will understand it as a single line. So that is the reason it is displaying the content in a single line. So that is why we use HTML tags, okay, to display properly, okay, to provide the structure properly. What is the structure? I want this structure only, guys. This is my structure. One line, next line, next line, next line. This is my structure. Like that only I want to maintain the structure. So browser is understanding it as what? A single line. So what we have to do? We have a tag called break tag, which is also unpaid tag. See, I'm typing the tag name, hit enter. Tag name, okay, tag name, hit enter. Tag name, okay, hit enter. See, just you have to type tag name. It will only display if it is a paid or unpaid tag. Clear? So now, what is the job of this BR tag? BR means what? Break. So whenever, okay, browser finds this break tag, okay, it will understand that I should go to another line. Okay, so break means what? Don't print anything on this line now. Break the line. Bring the content to new line. So it will go to another line. So again, we are getting break. Okay, so break it. Don't print anything on that line now. If you want to print anything, go to next line. So cursor will here. It will print. Again break, it will print. Again break, it will print. Now after saving this, if you reload the page, see, okay, we got. Are we getting the same output what we expected? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, guys. So now we have one more tag. We have one more tag. We have one more tag. So observe here. I'll copy this. And I have one tag, guys. HR tag. HR tag means what, guys? It is a tag which is going to provide. HR means what? Horizontal. HR means what? Horizontal. It is going to provide one horizontal line on the web page. See, it is going to provide one line on the web page. See, it is providing one line. So remember, HR means what? Horizontal line. Okay. So now here I will pass. Okay. P. Just I will type P. P means what? Paragraph tag. P means what? Paragraph tag. So inside this paragraph tag, okay, I will paste this. Okay. Or else you can pass like this also. Okay, I'll paste this. I will paste this. Similarly, the same thing I will copy paste. The same thing I will copy paste 5 times. So now save this. So now previously we have added the content without the paragraph. Okay, and we brought the content to the new line with the help of break tag. Now, okay, we are adding the content with the help of paragraph tag. See, it's a paid tag. Then it's a paid tag. So once you add the content inside the paragraph tag, save this, go back to the browser. So it creates separate different paragraphs. See, it's creating the paragraphs. So tell me guys, what is the difference between, okay, break and this paragraph? Tell me, what is the difference between break and the paragraph? See guys, break means it will bring the content to immediate new line. It will bring the content to immediate new line. Yes or no? Just its job is break is what? Bring the content to new line. That's all. Break the line. No need to print anything over there. Bring it to new line. Then, so paragraph means it is creating a proper structure, guys. It is creating what? A proper structure. Structure means what? See, whenever we create project reports of our engineering colleges, so we did this. Once after completion of the paragraph, we have to leave one line. Then we have to start with another paragraph. Leave one line. Third paragraph, leave one line. Fourth paragraph, leave one line. So that means, is it looking like the paragraph is leaving, one line above the content, one line below the content? Yes or no? Is it looking like this? Paragraph is leaving one line above the content and one line below the content. So remember, break means it brings the content to new line. Okay. And paragraph means, it creates a structure. It leaves one line above the content and one line below the content. Clear, guys? Clear? Okay, Sridhar is asking, sir, how to leave one line space, just before the body. So you pass this break tag here, You pass break tag here. See, save this. One line, break you will get on first starting on. Let's see, there is no break now. Reload the page. See, you got online break. Understood, Sridhar? Sir, I want 2 lines break. Sir, you pass 2 lines break. Pass one more time break tag. Okay, save this, save this. So now go back to the browser. So reload the page. See, one more line. So how many lines of break you want? Okay, you provide that much of breaks. Nothing will happen. So why Rajesh Mandal, Ranjan Mandal for everything? Okay, paragraph works. I don't know. It works. Okay. You are telling it's not working. Okay. Any other doubts, guys? So concentrate, guys. Yeah, you can pass paragraph also. See, you don't want this. You don't want 2 breaks. Directly you want on a paragraph, sir. Just pass empty paragraph. Save this, Sundarya. See, reload the page. See, it's providing some space. Yes or no? It's providing some space. Okay. So if you pass one more paragraph, now observe here how it looks. Pass one more paragraph. Okay, it will provide some more space here. Save this. Okay, reload the content. Is it providing? See, why means content is not there? Just pass the content, then you will get. Okay, now observe here. Now, okay, no, this much space it's providing. Done. This much space it's providing. The content should be there. So why means it is a paid tag. Content should be there. Yes. So break is unpaid tag, no content. Clear, Soundarya? So observe, sir. Observe, guys. Yeah, content is must. It's not like must you have to practice. Okay, you have to pass. If you don't pass the content, you will get error. Not like that. It's up to you, guys. Okay. It's up to the project requirements. So now observe here. I'll show you how the paragraph they are using. So I'll go back. I will concentrate on Virat Kohli's Wikipedia page. See, these are all paragraphs. This is one paragraph. This is one paragraph. Okay. So then this is one paragraph. How I am telling, see, there is a space between the paragraphs. Okay. If you want, you can see, guys. Right click. Right click. View page source. and control F. Control F. Just search for paragraph tag. Okay. See how many paragraphs they are using here. 102. Okay. 102 paragraphs they are using. And search for break tag, guys. Break tag. Okay. They are not using, they are directly using the paragraphs only. Clear? So understood. Very important. When you want to add textual content, mandatory you have to use paragraph type of things. Clear? And some of the elements, guys, some of the HTML tags, even if you pass in different line, tomorrow I will show you, even if you pass in different lines, some of the HTML tags, what will happen? They will be displaying in the same line only. So then you have to go for break. Then you can go with break. Okay, there is one concept I will tell you in CSS, but you remember in HTML we have some tags. Similarly, okay, the tags, what will happen? Even if you pass in different lines, it will be displaying in the same line. So how to avoid it, we'll see later. Clear? Okay, guys. So this is the thing today. So tomorrow I will teach how to add the images. Sir, there is any automatic way to break lines in web page? No automatic way. Okay. Can we use the title tag in body section also? No, you cannot use. So how to bring content in center? So that is CSS. I will teach you in CSS. Clear, guys? So, okay, guys, any doubts you can ask. If you don't have any doubts, you can leave the session. Okay. So tomorrow, I'll see. Please join. I'm starting the session every day at sharp. Okay, 12:30. I'm not making you guys to wait. I have told 12:40 means I'm starting at 12:40. You have seen from the first class itself. Okay, so please join. Amruta Gadikan, you cannot change the icon shape. You have to add the image in different shape if you have that image. Okay. Different icon, different shape image only you have to add if you have. You cannot change here. Guys, if you don't have any doubts, you can leave. If you have doubts, I'll wait for 2 minutes. You can ask.